Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mintaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve a camera app error code 0xA00F4240 unknown on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So if you're having issues with your camera, and then I'll show you with 4 basic methods to resolve it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions na pwede natin gawin is to troubleshoot Windows camera. Kung paano ba natin gawin yan? So dito lang sa search menu, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options, ay select mo lang dito yung other troubleshooters. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, dito lang sa other troubleshooters, scroll down. Under dito sa other, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung camera. And then, dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong run. And madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin i-follow yung kanyang Windows camera troubleshooters. So, nandito lahat yung kailangan natin na step-by-step method and contact support na pwede natin gawin para maayos yung ating problem. Okay? So, after dito sa help and support, so close lang natin yan, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to check the camera's privacy settings. Kung paano natin yan gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung privacy and security. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. Under dito sa app permissions, kailangan mo lang select dito yung camera, and then click mo lang yan. And next step dito sa camera settings. So dito lang sa camera access, so dito sa right side ay kailangan lang natin itong i-turn on. Okay, so makikita mo dito yung button niya. So turn on natin yan or enable yan. And then dito naman sa kanyang Let's Apps access your camera, dapat naka-turn on dito mga kaibigan. Alright, so after dito, so another solution na pwede natin gawin is to reset camera app. So kung paano ba natin yan gawin? So dito lang ulit sa search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, so dito lang sa left side menu, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung apps. And dito lang sa pinakauna, ito yung installed app, so i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa search app ay kailangan lang natin i-type dito yung camera. And then makikita mo kaagad, okay? So, dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So, kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then, select mo lang dito yung advanced option. And then, next step, kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then, dito lang sa reset, ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong repair. So, if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. So, i-click mo lang tong repair. And then, wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And then, pagkatapos dito sa repair process, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung reset. So, if this app still isn't working right, so kailangan natin itong i-reset. So, itap mo lang tong reset. And then, makikita mo tong notifications na this will permanently delete the app's data. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung reset. And wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na reset process complete. So, another solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin yan, is to update camera driver. Kung paano ba natin yan gawin, so dito lang si start menu, so right click ka lang, and then select mo lang dito yung device manager. And dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung cameras, and then i-click mo lang dito yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And dito lang sa kanyang driver ay kailangan mo lang i-select yan, and then right click. And select mo lang dito yung update driver. So, click mo lang yan. And then, pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. And then, select ka lang dito sa dalawa. And then, kailangan lang natin itap tong search automatically. So, click mo lang yan. and wait natin. So makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after dito and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix camera app with error code 0xA00F4240 unknown in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.